Lisa Carter from the OLGA System, and May is Military Appreciation Month. I'm here with Peter Wilks from Lakeland, Florida. Peter, tell us a little bit about your military service.
Well, I joined the military in March 1980, served for 23 years in the U.S. Army, and enjoyed every minute of it.
Well, it sounds like you traveled all over the globe for the military when you were enlisted, gentlemen. What was your favorite place to be stationed?
My favorite place was southern Germany, Bavaria. It's a beautiful part of Europe, and I enjoyed it a lot.
Well, there's a special place in my heart for Europe, too. We're here in Lakeland, Florida, and while Lakeland isn't Europe, it's a gorgeous place, and it looks like you're enjoying your retirement.
Oh, yes, very much so.
Wonderful. Listen, if you're a real estate professional and you want to grow your business with this unique segment of the U.S. population, U.S. service members, both active duty and retired military like Pete here, you're going to want to come to an OLGA System webinar, uniquely designed to help you generate leads organically with the U.S. military. Check out the link here and sign up for one of our events online and learn how to grow your business organically.